Mpumelela's first girlfriend just confirmed that we might be fooling ourselves for thinking that they are going to her house to pay some damage and they're just going there to pay her low bride price, honey. This is what she posted on Instagram account. She even said that people need to save these days because trust me, this June something big it is a happening. There's a celebration. Anyway, this is what she posted, honey. But before we get to the story of today, you know the rules of her. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment, honey. Thank you for so much for the love and support. If this is true, no simple, you need to run away. You need to get out of the situation, and before it's too late, at least you don't have a kiss, so there's nothing need to worry about. Just get out of the situation because trust me and believe this is about to get down. But anyway, so Mpumelelo's first girlfriend that she's been trending for the past this week, ever since they talk about her on the last episode last Sunday. They did talk about that they are going to pay the damage to his first girlfriend Mpumelelo, honey. So this is what she posted on his Instagram as being this first girlfriend. She say umembeso nokwehla Mpumelelo Mkhanya, and then she say, and she did not mention the name. She say 9 a.m. June, honey, meaning that she did not mention. For those who don't know, umembeso is a celebration where the bride and the groom they exchange gifts, honey, after they've paid a lobolo. So this is a ceremony where family come together and exchange a gift. So I don't know if this is true or whatever, it's a lie, or maybe she's trying to shade about no see about Vuyokazi and about Terrell, because ever since they mentioned her last Sunday episode, she's been making a lot of posts on Instagram trying to talk about umembeso, about the virginity, about Zulu man. I don't know what's wrong with her. Maybe she's just one to trend also, because trust me, if you're not part of them Mseleku, who are you want to be? Because it is very important to be part of them Mseleku. So these people are also making money being appearing on this reality show. They are not just play, they are making money. So this is what she posted, that I don't know if this is true or maybe she's just trying to shade, to give some shady or whatever she's doing, but it is not funny if this is not true, honey. So she, yeah, man, as you can see, it is happening at 9 a.m. in June. She did not even mention the date, and she did not mention the person. She just mentioned her name and a sign name that Yeke Sana. She might be getting married. When we think, when Mpumelelo mentioning that her first girlfriend needs to be a virgin, maybe she was saying that the person that is gonna be part of his life, it is mean her first girlfriend is coming back to her life, honey. We never know, honey, because right now we're so confused, honey. We're so confused what is going on. Even in Mpumelelo is confusing us what is going on, honey. So it might happen that Vuyokazi thought she's gonna, obviously when that girl when was dating Mpumelelo, Vuyokazi was a second girlfriend. She was not a first wife. So she only became the first girlfriend when that girl left the relationship. So if she's coming back, meaning that Vuyokazi, she's gonna be the second girlfriend. She's gonna place herself where she was before, honey. So this thing of wanting to be Mam Kulu can never happen if no Mpumelelo come back. If Mpumelelo come, if it is true what she's posting here on Instagram, I would advise Nosipo to run away. As for Tere, she's giving Mam Mpumelo's wife. Obviously, with Tere, she will never leave this relationship. Like, guys have been unfair with Tere when it comes to Tere, honey. With Tere, she's been trying to be the better girlfriend. I mean, the problem here is the others. But with Tere, she's been no her place. She's just been fighting her own battle, honey. Nothing else. So anyway, as with Nosipo, she's been quiet. So this is opportunity for Nosipo. Either she run away or save herself from all the trouble, because trust me, I believe it is about to get done. It is a war right now as I'm speaking to you, because how can Mpumelela's first girlfriend post this if it's not true? Or maybe she's trying to joke, I don't know, but it is no longer funny, honey, because even yesterday Vuyokazi came back, started sharing Izingani's Temple post saying people should support in voting Izingani's Temple also to win the awards in KZN film, meaning that she is back, honey. Yes, she is a cast member. She did mention on the first episode of season 2 episode 1 that she doesn't want to form part of this show anymore. She doesn't want to involve herself. She doesn't care even if they cut her part. But right now seems like she's back. Even next week on episode 8, she's going to the Sun City with them Mseleku's family, honey. It's so confusing right now. We don't know anymore if these people are here to make money or if this is a real thing or maybe they are acting, because now it's so confusing. It's so confusing, honey. It's so confusing. As a person, we thought that Mpumelelo is going to pay lobolo to the first girlfriend, to the third girlfriend, who's going to be the first girlfriend, Nosipo, honey. But it seems like everybody's just pushing Nosipo away. I don't know if Nosipo, she's still part of the game, but when you saw Mzansi Magic, they did post Seleku's family tree. Nosiba was included in that family tree, but the first girlfriend was not included. So it's so confusing what is going on right now. Also, Vuyokazi, she was part of that family tree. I still remember I did a video about the family tree, the Seleku's family tree. So anyway, guys, I don't know what is going on right now. Whatever the first